Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create job alerts on Indeed so you never miss out on new opportunities in your field. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your credentials. This ensures that any job alerts you set up will be saved directly to your profile and sent to your registered email address. After logging in, you'll land on Indeed's homepage. At the top of the page, you'll notice a prominent search bar. This is where you'll define what kind of jobs you want to be notified about. The search bar consists of two main fields that work together to help you find relevant job postings. Click on the first field, which asks for the job title or keywords. Here, type in the specific position you're looking for. For example, you might enter something like software engineer, marketing manager, or graphic designer. Being specific here helps Indeed filter job postings that match your career interests more accurately. Next, move to the second field right beside it. This is where you'll enter your preferred location. Type in the city, state, or zip code where you want to find jobs. This ensures that the alerts you receive are for positions within your desired geographic area, saving you time by filtering out irrelevant postings. Once you've filled in both fields, click the Find Jobs button. Indeed will now process your search and display a list of job postings that match your criteria. You'll see the results populate on your screen showing various positions that fit what you're looking for. Now, take a look at the left side of the screen. This is where Indeed displays all the job listings based on your search. Scroll down through the list until you reach the very bottom of the page. This is an important step because the option to activate job alerts appears at the end of the job listings. Once you've scrolled to the bottom, you'll see a button labeled Activate. This is the key feature that turns your search into an ongoing job alert. Click on this button and Indeed will automatically create a job alert based on the search parameters you just entered. From now on, whenever new jobs matching your criteria are posted, Indeed will send you email notifications, keeping you updated without having to manually search every day. And that's it. You've successfully set up a job alert on Indeed, making your job search more efficient and ensuring you're always in the loop about new opportunities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.